Welcome everyone to my new tutorial on how to delete or deactivate your TikTok account. So first things first, click on the top right in the top 3 lines. Then you'll go into the settings and privacy, as you can see below the screen right here. After you click that, the settings will open to you. You can just click here OK if it appears for you. Then you'll go into the account and click on account. Under the account, you have the last option called deactivate or delete account. So you click that, then another menu will open and you can choose either to deactivate or delete your account permanently. You can still recover it in 30 days if you are interested. Now, as you can see, I click delete. You can put in your reasoning, or you can click on top right to skip this option, to skip this survey. Then here you have to press down below. If you delete your account, you will use the access to, you will lose the service immediately. Then you need also click this by continue reviewed your options. And right here you'll click continue. I recommend reading everything that you need. Then right here you'll get access code, and you'll get that code usually in either your email, or as you can see, I got it on my messages on my SMS. You input the code that you got, and after that you'll just click delete account. As you can see, you need to confirm one more time, so you press delete, and ta-da, your account has been deleted. You got 30 days to go back and renew the account. And yeah, that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if I helped you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.